Type is everywhere. You see it when you're out and about, you see it on signs, menus, ads, TV shows, and even online. And with that being said, by now, you've probably seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. What's up, creators? My name is Jay, and in this video, we're gonna talk about typefaces and fonts and its importance in content graphic design. So to kick things off, let's unpack type and what it means exactly. A typeface is a collection of design letters, or in this case, we can call it a family of fonts, or just call it a font family. And it's here in the font family where we're gonna find the different versions of weight, sizes, and styles of fonts. But it's not the end of the world if you call a font a typeface or a typeface a font. As long as you have context, you will be okay. And just to make things simple, the different classifications of typefaces are serif, sans serif, and display. And there's usually a font that looks like handwriting, commonly referred to as scripted font. And if you want your work to look professional, there are 4 things to keep in mind with type when designing, which are consistency, context, readability, and visual hierarchy. It's wise to stick with one typeface, but if you find yourself in a situation where you'd like to use multiple fonts, you want to make sure that the fonts are complementary. So before you pick a font, you really want to ask yourself, is this going to resonate with my audience? But if anything, make sure that the font is legible in terms of readability. This means not using display fonts like this as body text. This will definitely make things harder for viewers. And if your audience can't read it, it's not likely that they will engage with it. Another thing to consider when designing your content is visual hierarchy. Hierarchy is another design principle to assist with your typography. It is arranging your text and visual elements to guide the viewer's eyes in order to signify importance or to draw attention to something in your design. And something that can help you out with this is to remember your text placement sections, which are your headers and headlines, your subtext and subheaders, your body text, and caption. So to do a quick recap, we talked about type consistency, type context, type readability, and visual hierarchy in your design. I hope this video has transformed the way you view type and has empowered you to feel confident to create content that looks professional and that will resonate with your audience. Next, we're gonna discuss color and how to use it in content graphic design. Coming up.